Moving on, let's put the spotlight on electronics manufacturing company Polymatech and Eswara Rao Nandam, founding president of Polymatech Electronics, is joining us now to talk about the landscape and also to talk about what Polymatech is aiming to achieve and do in the sector. Mr. Nandam, thank you very much for joining us. Wonderful to have you on the show. We are seeing that electronic manufacturing in our country is taking off in a big manner. What kind of opportunities is your company really eyeing in EMS space in India, which has never seen before, but now players such as yours, even other bigger players, and even the government have so much focus on it?
See, semiconductor is a very broad and wider term. And in semiconductor industry, Polymatech is focusing on opto semiconductors. Opto semiconductors means whatever and whichever deals with light. So our total addressable market is about $2 trillion. And we are, as of now, we are only company in India in this segment.
Can you talk to us a little more about application of this semiconductor, this unique kind of semiconductor, which you are only player right now, applications and growth opportunities?
Yeah, what we build our semiconductor is on sapphire. This is not silicon-based semiconductor. We build semiconductor on sapphire with the GaN technology, P-GaN and N-GaN technology. This is the latest version. So the semiconductor what we are using sapphire is having high thermal conductivity. So heat dissipation will be fast and data transmission also will be faster. This is the latest semiconductor which we are using. And where these opto semiconductors are used, mostly in the transmission of the data, which 5G and 6G components, which we have to release in this calendar year end, and large area lighting, for example, cricket stadiums, baseball stadium, football stadiums, etc. lighting, and medical applications like UV treatment, sanitization of the operation theaters, then endoscopy, laparoscopy, etc. wherever light they are using. And food industry, the sanitization before packing any food, they have to pass through this ultraviolet so that all bacteria and viruses are killed. Apart of this, we have specialized semiconductor, the light applications for photosynthesis lights we have, where there is no sunlight also. They can grow their own potatoes or whatever they want. Any vegetable can be produced. These are all specialized lightings where we are in, a part of the medical and food applications. And we are by the end of 2023, we will be releasing Li-Fi equipment. The data will be transferred through light. We will give that information shortly about this. So these are all the main segments where we are working in. Apart of this, defense also another segment where we can produce lasers and its applications.
Mr. Nandam, talk to us about your technology, strength. How much of it is in-house? What kind of technology partners you have? If you could tell us what the differentiating part of your technology prowess.
Yes, we are proudly say that 100% Indian technology, it is grown in-house. I myself and my son, we have developed this technology and no outsiders are involved. Our technology is proudly, we can say 100% Indian technology and 100% owned by Indians company.
Wow, that's very good to know, Mr. Rao. And why shouldn't it? You are a BITS Pilani alumni, so obviously technology is something which you've been trained for. What kind of coming years, what are the ambitions which your company have? What kind of roadmap have you made, if you could share it with our viewers?
We have totally proposed fab to floor. We will manufacture everything in-house. Fab to floor means fab unit will be there in our company. We grow our sapphire here in the company and we will cut it, polish it, dice it, which chips will be made, assembled, packaged, then final product also will be given. Final product means, for example, medical equipments I have told you, large area lightings I have told you. So assembly also we will do. So fab to floor is our aim. And for this, we have kept a budget of 8,000 crores in the next, by end of 2026, we will invest 8,000 crores in various plants. I will tell you of the plants later. And our target after investing 8,000 crores will be about 80,000 crores top line This industry, 1 rupee invested is 10 rupees is the top line. So that is the target what we have. By 2030, Polymatech will reach this 80,000 crores top line. And as of now, our capacity, manufacturing capacity is 300 million chips per day, 300 million chips per annum, 1 million chip per day. And we have already issued purchase orders for the machinery. By 2023 December, we will be going up to 2 billion chips. And this will be going up to 35 billion chips is the total matured capacity plant level. Plant 1 is fully functional, operational in Kanchipuram district of Tamil Nadu. Plant 2 and plant 3, both are getting ready. Plant 2 will be started in September 2023, in the next month, rather next month. And plant 3 will be December. So the plant 2 and plant 3 basically for assemblies, plant 1 will be chips manufacturing. This is the total outlay of Polymatech Electronics in the coming years.
Absolutely, sir. It's really interesting to hear, how much we can expect from the company going forward in terms of the growth as well. Thank you so much for joining with us this afternoon on Markets at Noon, sir. It's always a pleasure having you on the show. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you very much. Thank you.